Hello everybody, my name is Darkwing Duck and this is Coma Mortuary. I found it on Humble Store during their fall sales thing and it looked kind of interesting, so I figured I would check it out. So without further ado, let's get in. Dark and dreary. I'm not controlling anything yet.
When nothing in life matters, when really important things can pass through you so imperceptibly, I never thought that the most interesting thing in my life could begin with a fall. Deep fall.
Oh. Drinking and driving is banned. Is this heaven? Is it the Skyloft? Spooky whispering, but that's... Oh, okay. This isn't a very spooky place. I don't know why you're freaking out so much, dude. Nice. Way to look where you're going. Way to go. You left nice and peaceful waterfall area. And now we're at the bottom of a dank cave. There we are. What is...
Falling is not difficult. One step and you're flying. Whether you rise or fall is the whim of that most capricious lady, Lady Luck. I thought maybe we became friends after the accident. Or perhaps I was just lying to myself.
Why does everything get blurry as I walk through it? Okay. That is too much motion blur. Okay, hold on a second. We are back, and I just went through the options, and there is very little for changes. Okay, the motion blur seems to have been lessened with what I changed. I didn't think it would. There's also no vertical sync features, so we're gonna have to deal with screen tearing the entire time. So that's lovely. Okay, shift is walk slowly. Control does nothing. Spacebar does nothing. E is interaction. Alright, what do I interact with? I have no idea what I'm supposed to interact with. Can I interact with you? No. Control Y is mouse inversion. Control Y. Yeah, okay. Not sure why that's included, but that's a nice feature, I guess. Tess's death unsettled me. I didn't know what to do and where to go. We were inseparable friends from back in school. One stormy night, one missing road sign, one chasm, and the result, 2 victims. Me and Tess. tell what textures they used and like what pre-made textures they used and what was original to them, but the light shows the way. Now it seems to me like I'm supposed to go this way. Is there any reason to turn off the flashlight? Because I can't see Jack. I followed after her because I didn't know another way. This place called me. Here, my life was changed into chaos. I was volatile. I needed to explode. I had to do it here. Alrighty. Well, this is the only run. There's a bunch of boats. There's the only speed we have. I'm pretty sure there's going to be no combat. I opened the throttle, speeding through the red lights. Through the warning sirens wail and the fence that was set up after Tess's death. It was impossible to stop me. The people who were chasing me wanted to help me, but their wish to save was weaker than my wish to die. And now I am here in the world of the dead. You'd think there'd be more dead people in the world of the dead. I am writing this down in case I don't make it out of here. I want to leave something about myself and perhaps help someone that may follow and will read it. The knowledge which I'll put in this journal is superficial, but is forbidden, and you can be punished for it by a supreme measure here. By who? Please, sir, tell me who will punish me out of the no one that's here. I didn't even have to activate it, just get near it. Okay. Well, their load screens are non-existent, I'll give them that. My appearance here is a mystery for me. I am here in a way unlike anyone else. Usually people sail here on boats. There are dead who died on the earth and are reborn in their guise here. Everything is absolutely identical. Sex, age, and other characteristics. But one of a few differences from earthly life is laws by which the body lives. There's no sound. None. I have... Oh. Okay, there is audio. Sometimes. Alright. Odd. Yeah, this is, really? There's no way I'd be walking this silently on this. Come on. Give me some kind of... There's gotta be, like... There's gotta be a missing audio file or something. There's gotta be some kind of... What the fuck? I'm not the only one that saw the body that just appeared and disappeared from this spot, am I? The body is inseparably linked with the soul. We don't feel this connection on Earth, but here it is felt immediately. Much the same way as our nervous system activates when we feel pain, and it hurts because our souls are not clean. All of the newcomer dead are disfigured by corruption, and their bodies are corrupted as strongly as their souls are sick. Interesting. I'm gonna go left. Bunch of dead people in water that I can walk over. I'm Jesus, apparently. More dead people behind a gate. Okay. How much you want to bet that there's going to be more dead people over here? Weird, I have no audio whatsoever right now. Oh, walking over this made me go much slower. I don't understand why. 2 rooms I can walk through in this one. And oh, another path. Awesome. So we can continue walking silently across wet piles of dead bodies. There's a long, convoluted way to come here. I think we've already been there, so we're gonna go this way. That's probably, when I went left before, that's probably just that same gate. Unless this is a dead end. Oh, it's not. Okay. I don't understand. The liquid is viscous. Alright, it's not water. Okay. Why is it silent? Whoa! Ah! Hi! Okay. Who the... Whoa. Where did they go? What the hell? Alright, we're gonna go this way. Down the steps into... I probably don't want to be coming this way, but I'm doing it anyway. I don't think they're actually saying anything. Or if they are, it's not English. Oh! Let's get the fuck out of here! Ah, fuck. Okay. I don't know what's going on, but it's very loud. To be honest, the music... Hi, guys! And you're on. At least the music's decent. Oh, fucking man. Quit it. Yeah, they were all in the... What the hell is going on? So this way... Looks like this way's blocked off. Oh, it's not. Okay. Up the steps. Let's get the hell out of here. Light. The light shows the way. Alright. Now we're in a rundown house. Everything's blue. And it's... not silent. Where are you? You're crying? Where are you? Play some piano? No? Where is the crying lady? I can't go upstairs. Stairs are blocked. Maybe down the stairs? She stops. Oh, come on. Again with the weird whispering. Okay, well apparently there's nothing that way. I can't see anything, so... can't see anything this way either. I'm against a wall. Alright. I guess the basement wasn't where I'm supposed to be. I don't know why it's so smoky. You gonna... Oh, the way's clear! Go down to the basement so we can move things around magically without you seeing them. A stretcher in front of the bathroom door. And smoke billowing out of a laptop. Activate the laptop. What am I supposed to... Oh, it was the car keys. Okay. Wow. That was... Okay. Gotta follow the light, right? Upon arriving, the bodies undergo a cleaning process. After 40 days, the body wakes up. Initially, it does not feel anything, but as soon as the corruption is washed away with the healing liquid, in a few seconds it becomes a mirror of the inner world. Many people die in these seconds. If they don't, it is then determined if, in their condition, they could withstand surgery or not. If they couldn't, the still living body is thrown into a bottomless hole, and if they could, the body is operated on and the people are led to where they can save themselves. Weird. Bodies and stuff. More bodies and stuff. Kind of what I expected. Alright. Apparently they give you flashlights in hell. Oh, I have 3 paths to take. 4. Okay, we're gonna go up. So far, up has been the way out of weirdness, so let's go up. A closed door that cannot be opened. I guess take this staircase down. Oh, we cannot. Alright. We'll take this one up then, see what that does. Another closed door. Oh, this one did something. Books! Everybody likes a good book. Just recently, a man left the earthly world. He woke up and he's enveloped by mysterious pain. Unfamiliar figures are bent over his head. They washed him, roughly stitched his wounds, and brought him to the library. Instead of rest and sleeping, they put him at the table in front of a book. Your mind is a flask of poison. To leave or cleanse it is your decision. And it was so. That makes no sense to me. Corruption is like a weak-acting poison. It causes tension that doesn't let the body breathe. On the earth, we are used to the fact that wounds gradually mend and the pain can subside. Here, there is no such process under the corruption's influence. The only wounds which can be healed are the ones people have received here. And I do not have the ability to climb ladders. Basic motor skills. Apparently, I'm assuming I'm a shambling, nasty looking zombie. So that, and that not being able to climb an elevator kind of solidifies that. Pull the switch. And pull the switch. Come on. There we go. No. Switch pull. Switch pull. Switch pull. There we go. Silent gate rise. Santa Muerte. I haven't played a lot of Ghost Recon lately. Just... no. Okay. Ah. Another switch. That cannot be pulled. This is also a dead end. Why am I here? Oh! Switches that cannot be pulled. Oh, this one can. It didn't make any noise. It did absolutely nothing. And it can no longer be pulled. Oh, now you can. Okay. Okay, okay. You are still pulled. Alright. Oh! This gate is up. Now we venture on. And pull this switch. Pull the switch. There we go. That, I'm assuming, will open... Yep, that opens this gate. This one? No. Now we pull another switch. That one? No. That one? No. This one again? Yeah. Now that one. That opened another gate. No. But will it allow me to pull this switch? No. Both of these gates are closed. Huh. Those two switches are now pulled. Oh, oh, oh. Come on. There we go. Switch is pulled. Gate rises. Okay, pull that switch. Here. And I guess pull this switch. This gate rises. And we move on. Prayers of our religions don't work here. There is no medicinal cure. But the true understanding of their mistakes. It depends on the person. How much he wants to admit that he was wrong and get rid of suffering. Many people have died here halfway to recovering. but the majority goes mad, and only a few people went, being healthy, into the portal of life. Big ass empty room. Couple of offshoots. Not sure. Chains. Big ass chandelier. Probably fell. Yep, gotta go off one of those offshoots. Alright. Walking back. More big ass chains. These are like pull a dragon out of the lake kind of chains. The kind of chains that magical zombies just somehow have. Beds and books. Living room change anything? No? This one looks like the hallway. Maybe it'll actually lead me somewhere. Who knows? A door that is closed. But does it? Yes, it does. Triggers next area. And now where are we? Somewhere where footsteps are heard. Yeah, now they're not. That sounds like that ghost chick that was crying before. That buzzing usually means we're gonna see some weird shit. Okay, it's coming from in front of me. Now behind me. But I've got no way there. It really... Honestly, this is kind of a cool thing. I feel like I should be Adam Jensen, just punch through that, but... Boss room. If there was combat, this would be a boss room. If there was going to be combat, I would have found that by now, so I don't think there's going to be. Steps into darkness. No? Really? All that for nothing? Come on. Reward my time, game. Okay, every exit in this room is boarded up or a dead end. I don't get it. Can I hear her crying again? Yeah, I heard her over here too. Nope, dead end. Where the hell am I supposed to go, game? The light shows the way. The game looks kind of nice when you turn your flashlight off. You just can't see Jack. And it didn't really let me change the brightness either. Yep, just as I thought. Okay, so there's gotta be something I missed over here. right, except the door was just closed at the bottom. Yeah, what the hell? Okay, what am I supposed to do? Really wishing I had a sprint or something right now. Maybe it's got something to do with the tree. Maybe I'm supposed to go right up to the tree. Well, I can't walk up to the tree. Weird, man. I don't get it. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. You're gonna start crying here again, yeah. What the hell am I supposed to do? I can come over here. I can't activate it. There's nothing to activate. And then I've already been here. You know what? Okay. I'm gonna end this here. Figure out what the hell I'm supposed to do, and then maybe I'll come back. Maybe I'll post another episode. Who knows? I haven't decided yet. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe to the video and my channel. If you've got any pointers for me, or if there's something you want me to check out and maybe make some videos of, please leave a comment. Yeah, thank you for watching me play this, and have a good night.